Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and today I like to talk about German slang words or expressions. And maybe you already saw some of those examples in my course for beginners. But let's get started. Number one, to say in German, that costs 3 euros. Normally we say, das kostet 3 Euro. But slang, no? So what people use normally on the street would be, das macht 3 Euro. That makes 3 euros. So if you go to the supermarket, no, the salesman would say, das macht 3 Euro. Number two, shut your mouth. Okay, halt den Mund, it's fine. And slang, halt die Klappe. Klappe, no, halt die Klappe. Number three, I'm in the mood. No? Ich habe Lust. No? I'm in the mood to do something. Ich habe Lust. Or we say, ich hab Bock. And interestingly, here the verb also deletes the E at the end. And that's a common thing when we use ich. Normally, most people don't use the E at the end. It's not correct, but people do it. No? So, ich hab Bock. Number four, I am hungry. Okay, ich habe Hunger. But on the street, ich hab Knast. No, ich hab again Knast. Knast means prison. No, so maybe in prison many people suffered hunger. So we say in German, ich hab Knast. Number five, I have had enough. Formal way, ich habe genug. No, in the slang, ich hab die Nase voll. I have my nose full of all this stuff. No, I have had enough. No, ich hab die Nase voll. Number six, I study for the exam. Ich lerne für die Prüfung. Or you could say, ich büffel für die Prüfung. Büffel means to study a lot. Okay, ich büffel für die Prüfung. Number seven, which color is beautiful? Okay, you could say, welche Farbe ist schön? Or, was für eine Farbe ist schön? Instead of welche or welcher, we use was für eine. Okay? So, normally people on the street prefer was für. Okay? Was für eine Farbe ist schön. Number eight, we are friends. Wir sind Freunde. Or, wir sind Kumpels. It's like more buddies. No? Wir sind Kumpels. Number nine. I eat a pizza. Ich esse eine Pizza. That's fine. But to shorten it a little bit, people would say, ich esse ne Pizza. Sometimes people speak a little bit faster and they cut out some letters. And so here eine becomes ne. Ich esse ne Pizza. Number 10, I start. Okay, ich fange an. No, I begin. Is I start. Ich fange an. Or you could say, ich leg los. No, ich lege los or ich leg los. No, I start. Number 11, I have a headache. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. No, or you say, mir brummt der Schädel. Mir brummt der Schädel. That's a good one. Number 12. The car is awesome. Das Auto ist super. That's fine. Slang. Das Auto ist geil. No? A nice little word. Das Auto ist geil. No? Number 13. I am drunk. Ich bin betrunken. Or ich bin blau. No? I'm blue. No? That's a funny one. Ich bin blau. No? I'm drunk. Ich bin blau. Number 14. I don't understand anything. Ich verstehe nichts. Or ich verstehe nur Bahnhof. I just understand train station. Doesn't make sense at all. But if you don't understand it, you could say, ich verstehe nur Bahnhof. Number 15. I'm in the bar. Ich bin in der Bar. And we have a different word for bar. Ich bin in der Kneipe. No, bar, pub, maybe, no, bar, Kneipe. Ich bin in der Kneipe. Number 16. I have the money. Ich habe das Geld. That's okay. Or slang. Ich habe die Knete. Ich habe die Knete. Number 17. This is my car. Das ist mein Auto. Or das ist meine Karre. Karre ist a slang word für Auto. Number 18. We are playing football. Wir spielen Fußball. Or wir bolzen. Bolzen ist Fußball spielen. Wir bolzen. Number 19. No. Nein. Or nee. Nee or maybe nö. No? But people used to say nee. Nee. Number 20. Excuse me. Wie bitte? No? Excuse me, what did you say? Wie bitte? Or hä? So, doesn't sound really good, but people use it. No? Hä? No? Excuse me? Number 21. Enjoy your meal. Guten Appetit. Oder Mahlzeit. No? In many regions in Germany they just say Mahlzeit. Number 22. That's great. Das ist super. Or you could say das ist der Hammer. That is the hammer. So, that's great. Das ist der Hammer. Number 23. We are playing video games. Actually, we would say in German, wir spielen Computer. Or, you could say, wir zocken. Ne? We playing video games, wir zocken. Number 24. Good luck. Viel Glück. Or, ich drücke dir die Daumen. Oder ich drücke die Daumen. Actually we use our thumbs. So we press our thumbs. No? Ich drücke die Daumen. No? Good luck. Number 25. I don't care. Es ist mir egal oder ist mir egal. Or you could say, es ist mir Wurst. No? Wurst means like sausage. No? It's me sausage. No? Es ist mir Wurst oder ist mir Wurst. Number 26. I have the money. We have another word for money as well. Ich habe das Geld, or you could say, ich habe die Kohle. Ich habe die Kohle. No? Before we had Knete, here Kohle. Number 27. Hello. Okay, hallo or moin. Or moin moin. No? In the north of Germany they use this little nice word and I like it a lot. Moin. Number 28. To say bye. You could say, obviously, tschüss, or a lot of people use mach's gut. Make it good. No? Mach's gut. Mach's gut. Number 30. Bad weather. Schlechtes Wetter. Or you could say scheiß Wetter. Shit Wetter. No, because we really don't like bad weather. So scheiß Wetter. Number 30. I'm angry. Ich bin wütend. Or you could say, ich bin sauer. Sauer means acid. So maybe because your face changes, so we say, ich bin sauer. Yeah, and those are 30 slang words or expressions. And if you like, you could study them on Quizlet, because I created a study unit on Quizlet. So you will find in the description a link, and so you can enter this unit. Yeah. That's all for now. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy and thank you very much for watching this video.